G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. Personally, I'm probably like a lot of you out there, and I'm constantly trying to find places that are really quiet and places to listen to the sound of the birds, watch the sunrise, and also sit on the water. And we found such a place today. It's called Sir John Chandler Park. Let's get Four Wheels on the Road and check it out.
Go, no, go for long.
Sir John Chandler Park is around about 15 minutes outside of the city and around about 2 or 3 minutes from Indooroopilly itself. And it's a really nice drive along Mears Road past Indooroopilly Golf Club to get here as well. Speaking in terms of a place to watch the sunrise, it's really cool here just from this pontoon. You'll see just behind me here, there's a nice little gap in the river here, and in summertime, which is what we're coming into now, it's a great little place to come and just sit here on the pontoon and watch the sunrise. For years, this has actually been a favourite little spot of mine, and there's a couple of reasons why. Firstly, you've got this great boat ramp here, so it's a really good spot to drop in. You've got the sound of birds around you. It's really quiet out here as well. Because it's at the end of the point here, as you would have seen from your map earlier, there's not a lot of people tend to get out here, and I've been here during the day, and a lot of people don't actually come and use this boat ramp very often, so handy for those of us who want to get some use of it early in the morning or at any time of the day and prefer a place that's quiet. And considering how close it is into Indooroopilly and just in town in general, it's fantastic. The other reason why I've always come out here as well is it's beautiful just driving along here, as you would have seen earlier when we were driving in. It's a nice little drive along here, or a nice little ride along here, and a great little place to come. Perhaps one of the coolest things about this park, besides the fact that it's actually quite isolated and a lot of people don't know about it, is that there's actually quite a lot here. I was using this little cycling route here for probably 15-20 years and kayaking here as well, and I was unaware that this park is actually here. One of my favourite little places to come since I actually found this park is this covered area here. You'll see just behind me here, it's near the kids' play area. It's a really cool little area. It's got its own little outcrop here, and it's a great place to come and check out the sunrise. You can just watch the rowers come past in the morning and while the hours away listening to the rainbow lorikeets, and it's a beautiful place to just come and chill out and relax. One of the beautiful parts of the park here, under the Jacarandas, as you can see behind me, is this kids play area here. It's been done up very recently. It's got a pirate theme, which is kind of cool, and it's fully gated off. You've got some seating in here as well, which is pretty cool, and it's right next to the river, so you can just sit here even with the kids playing and buggerising around and watch the sunrise, watch the water, and it's a nice place to do so. As you can see, the park here is actually quite big, and to be honest, it's quite underutilised. I've been here 100 times on the weekends in the park and around the area here, and there's not really a lot of people that actually come to enjoy this place. So it's good for you if you want to come and check the place out. One of the really unique things about Sir John Chandler Park, and indeed the area here in general, is that it actually borders the golf club, which is just in front of me here. So we're on the end of a point of the river, which is really fantastic. So we've got plenty of views of the river, and you've probably got, to be honest, about 180-degree views almost of the river that the whole park covers. But also the entire area here is just a giant big park. So there's tons and tons of bird life here, tons of wildlife here. So it's a really, really nice place, and a really underutilised place as well. Another one of the really cool things that I do enjoy about this place as well is these really huge jacaranda trees. And in springtime, they're always in flower, so it's really cool to be able to come and check them out as well. For all I know, these could be 100 years old, and they look that old, which is really cool. These are the biggest jacarandas I've probably seen anywhere that I've ever been, so it's really cool to come and just check them out as well. All right, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here this morning at Sir John Chandler Park. Let me know what you think of the place. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.